Hi guys, and I told you I'd bring you back for some freezer meals. Freezer breakfast meals is what we're working on today. But first, I'm going to show you. Yes, that's what we're going to do. Show you something perfect. Look at that. I don't want any. Thank you, though. It came! Is that not beautiful? And it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. You can see my coffee mug collection, too. That's only maybe a tenth of my coffee cups, but it's a thing of beauty. It's beautiful. It's empty, and it needs to be filled. So that is what we're doing today. So, I have my 12-inch skillet heating up. I'm hoping that is going to be big enough. If not, I'll bust out my 15-inch. But we're going to try to fit a dozen eggs in here and get them scrambled up. Because today, we are making burritos. And they're going to be sausage, cheese, and egg burritos. And bacon, egg, and cheese burritos. So that is what we're doing today. I also think I may have some hash browns. And if I do, I'll throw them in there too because my husband really likes that. And this is for him and for his buddy at work because he loves getting leftovers from whatever I cook. So I always make sure I have enough for him to eat too. And also my kids will eat this. And that is what we're doing today. I'm going to use up my eggs. I'm going to see how many a dozen will get me and go from there. So if I can get about 20 burritos out of a dozen eggs, then I'll use the rest for something else. But that's kind of how much I want. Yeah. So that's all I'm going to do. Dump them in, scramble them up, and I'll bring. Alright, so we have our assembly made up. I have my eggs, I have whole wheat tortillas, I have aluminum foil already pre-cut and ready to go. And then after I put them in the aluminum foil, I'm going to put them in some freezer bags that I already have labeled of what they are. And that is so, A, there's not going to be freezer burn, and B, they can go straight into the oven because I don't have a microwave. So they can just go in the oven in the aluminum foil. And I have my sausage. I ended up doing 2 pounds of sausage, a quart-sized jar of my home canned potatoes, because I didn't have hash browns, and then a dozen eggs, and then I have American cheese because that's what my husband likes. So, I'll just show you how I'm going to assemble them.
Get down here.
I'll take 1 thing of cheese, put it like so. Scoop of egg, some potato, sausage, and voila, that's it. Here, I gotta put you down for a second. And then you just roll it like a burrito. Nothing to it. And I always overfill these. There's that. Wrap it to keep it in place. And there you are. And now, 2 of these in a pack, and my husband will have lunch, or breakfast, not lunch. My husband will have I can't do it. My husband will have breakfast waiting, and all I'll do, I'll write instructions right here, 350 for about 10 minutes, just until it gets all heated through. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will give you a picture at the end of how many I ended up getting.